Are we ready for another road trip? Yes?
Yes!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Coorg and there's a beautiful property named Evolve Back. So let's come and join us on a journey.
Finally, the first break after 2 hours of drive. We're going to Starbucks now. Coming, Mama.
This is a lovely villa home for the next 3 days. It was a very spacious property. So we had a living room, there we had a room, we had a huge bath.
We have a pool in our room. So this is the mini pool. This is the villa. They also have the pool access from the bathroom. The jacuzzi is on. This is our room. All the boys are working out. Now I'm gonna enjoy the pool.
All set for swimming. After some masti on the pool, we went to the cultural show which was happening here. Vedu was very hungry, so we had to leave. Dinner karke we went straight to room and we slept. We woke up to this lovely view.
Good morning. Let's go for breakfast now. Come, Dada. Yes, let's go to the lake. There is a very big lake here where we can feed the fishies.
Sunshine, found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about
After feeding the fish, it was time for us to feed ourselves. So we were very hungry. So we went to this Canary restaurant, which was one of the main restaurants. So we sat on a table overlooking this family pool. So the hotel has two different pool apart from the pool that is on your room. पेट पूजा के बाद we went out for a walk, थोड़ा swing करा, family time enjoy करा, gym गए, souvenir shop explore किया, and then we went back to feeding the fish.
What are you gonna do, Anav? Okay, start. If you put down, they'll come.
दूर फेंक
Wow, so many fishes.
Hey, we are doing fish feeding. Vediko bhi do, Vediko bhi do.
Fish feeding करने के बाद the boys were hungry again, so we went to this plantain lift which was a South Indian cuisine. So we went there and Arun, my husband, had a lot of fun because he ate a lot of dosas there. यहाँ पे you get 18 different varieties of dosas. By the way.
After finishing the buffet, the boys are here to eat dosa.
Dosa finish करके we went for a walk and then we went to this infinity pool which was the second pool. फिर back to अपने pool.
These all are coffee.
So this is the view from family pool overlooking the restaurant. फिर उसके बाद नीचे there is some activity area for kids and adults. So we played past some time before our oracle ride.
Peter? We're going for a boat ride in Kaveri now. So we reached the Kaveri River. This is the Kaveri River.
got sunshine. I got sunshine.
This is our ride.
Gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time. And now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go.
After this amazing ride, we went back to hotel with this lovely view in our eyes and hearts. So Evolve Back is a very, luxury property. Many celebrities have visited this place. This place is full of nature. I mean, covered with nature. I would definitely recommend you to go there if you can and experience this at least once in your life. The kids had fun. We had fun. Boys are hungry, so we are at the restaurant already, waiting for our food. After food, we went for another walk. This was the reading lounge. The view was amazing. This view was overlooking the field, and actually, they grow all the greens here.
Got sunshine. I got sunshine.
There's a church also over here.
Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down.
Super excited.
Don't worry about a
I think the highlight for Arnav was feeding the fish. I think उसको इतना excitement था, हमेशा वो feeding ही कराता रहता था. So this was quite an experience for him. वो उसको ये अभी हमेशा याद रहेगा. Today's dinner was at South Indian restaurant. So यहाँ का best part पता है क्या है? You can eat as much as you want. Go to all 3 restaurants either on breakfast or on dinner. तो हम तो जाते थे, खाते थे, फिर उसके बाद दूसरे रेस्टोरेंट में जाते थे, फिर खाते थे. तो वी हैड फन.
gotta let you know, it's so incredible.
ये सारा यमी खाना खाने के बाद वी वेंट टू रूम एंड स्लेप्ट.
Good morning, guys. Today is the last day. We are going back to Bangalore today. So we're planning to visit Dubara Elephant Camp. So that the baby should feed the elephant, but let's see. Happy anniversary.
Go eat our breakfast and then we'll come back and go to Elephant Camp. Let's go for breakfast. Today is the last day for feeding, okay? Fish feeding. After that we're going home.
Ready to leave.
Got sunshine. I gotta let you know,
Yes.
sunshine.
Taking the speedboat towards the camp.
Yes.
Got sunshine.
Change.
I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.
Arnav and Dad are going to bathe the elephant, right?
No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. Could be the light coming down on me. Sunshine.
Elephant.
I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care no more right now. Higher than the ceiling.
Anvu and Dad are having fun bathing the elephant.
Got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. It's so
Touch,
incredible.
touch, touch.
I'm finally letting go.
इसके बाद we headed back to Bangalore. Hope you guys liked today's video. Do like, share and subscribe.